Alright guys, what's going on? So right now we are checking out a super blown out abandoned paint factory. What was the brand?
TESTORS.
TESTORS Paint.
They made the model paint and the model glue.
Yep.
And models.
And models. This was their paint division. It looks like it's been abandoned for quite some time. There's a lot of decay and not too much on this level. I think there's like 3 levels. We're gonna go up and check out and see if we can find anything cool. Oh, look at this elevator shaft. All right, that's kind of cool. Look at how people over the years tossed a bunch of crap down there. It still has the weights though. This must have ran on counterweights. If you look up there, that's one of the gates hanging over the edge for the 2nd floor.
Oh, I'm getting that tingling feeling in the bottom.
Oh yeah. Bit sketch. Especially knowing the place is falling apart doesn't help. Oh man, it goes down. Oh, look at that. All the paint colors on the wall.
Whoa.
Like, is that new or what?
They cleaned this place up.
They did? What was here?
Dude, this place was filled, like probably about
Trash?
ankle high of clothes
Oh, wow.
over this entire floor.
Jeez, look at those beams. Those are major. This isn't a steel structure either. This is all wood. The only like metal stuff, or the metal structures in the braces right in between each beam. Wow, look at that arched window. Of course, somebody cut it in half, destroyed it somehow. Oh my goodness. The proper people would be proud. That chair is chilling. I'd like to say I haven't seen that before, but I have. Chair versus drywall. So we just found a wallet and a phone, and it's a Galaxy S8, so that's not too old. So we're thinking, I don't know, maybe somebody probably got robbed and then they ditched the evidence here.
Look at this. This is like a vault.
Oh wow.
Door. And see, here's the.
No way. I think this is where they kept like the files and the
Must be.
money and stuff. Oh, that's cool. Wow, look at this, guys. This entryway, this is brick here. Look how thick the brick is. This is like almost 2 feet. It's my whole arm length. So they did not want anyone getting in here. Just got some shelving. I don't know what those pipes were. Probably had sprinklers on them.
So cool in here now.
Yeah, it is. The shelving is actually in great shape. This place was built like a bunker pretty much, so none of the water has gotten in, none of the decay. Kind of preserved. Oh, yo. That's what I'm talking about.
Yup.
Wow. Even more boilers, and they're bigger. These might have been the old boilers. I'll bet you that boiler serviced the whole building like in the 80s or something, or 70s or whatever. And this was the one, the original one from back in the day. Jeez. Check out that old door with the pulleys. I think that's like a metal sheet on the outside. It's probably wooden planks. And here's the old rope. And it is nailed to the wall. I couldn't tell you what this is. Somebody in the comments wants to let me know if they know anything about old plants or old factories. There's some sort of reservoir dip in the ground. I don't know if maybe there used to be like some sort of tank here. Who knows? brick.
Maybe drainage.
It could have been, yeah. It could have been a well, maybe. Let me out. Found some narcotic utensils.
Yeah, look at this.
Old spoon.
And popped off of a lighter to get the flame bigger.
Yep. Textbook. Left his hat and some water. I wonder if there's anything under there. I don't want to touch it though. Nope.
Oh, there's the lighter.
Look at that. I think somebody actually slept inside of the boiler. That is crazy. It's a mattress.
I don't think this was here last time I was here either.
No. Oh. A pen. I don't even want to know what's in that box over there. But yeah, somebody definitely has been calling this place their home. Of all the places, dude, why would you choose this one? This is like the dingiest, cruddiest place.
Our city has such good abandonments. Like, we got 5 stars.
I guess you're right.
Here.
Still in the basement. This is the elevator shaft from the bottom. The old wooden gate. Oh man, it's really hot in here. That's really cool. The old up and down button. Still works pretty well. Look at that.
Nice, that's cool.
Now this place is much safer. Nobody can fall 2 feet. Like these whole walls are windows. It's nice. Fills the place with natural light. Perfect for photos. So I just found a room with like fuzzy walls. I don't know how to explain it. It's like this is like some sort of canvas on drywall, and then there's like fuzz. And it's been scraped off. People have been putting designs in the wall there. This is definitely like 60s or 70s, the wood paneling. Back in the stairwell, I just noticed the, what do you call it, the banister, the pillar for the stairs is here. And I did actually recall seeing one downstairs as well. Yeah, this used to be the railing. It used to be right here at the base of the stairs. Pretty serious door for the 3rd floor. Like offices. Little conference room or something in the middle here. The big table. That's a unique room actually. Wow, look at that table. Had meetings going on here probably. Nice pink walls. Welcome to 1985. Love these cubed glass walls. See them at diners and stuff. Well guys, if you don't have any place to throw your garbage, bring it to the 3rd floor of an abandoned factory. This entire room is just trash. Like, you can't even see the floor. Oh god, that is nasty. Ugh. Literally every room. Ooh, yeah. It's like an assembly floor. So they had a bunch of tables. Probably put stuff together. Can already feel it in my knees. I'm about to go peer over the elevator shaft. Oh wait, the elevator's actually here. Okay, so that's not that bad. See the inner workings, the pulley system up at the top. So we're gonna try and get on the roof, but I hear the stairs. Oh, that's cool. That is a cool find, guys. Look at that. High quality lacquer, regular dope, 15 cents. You guys want some regular dope? I got it. Ambulance. So this was probably one of the things they gave to the people to show them the different types of paints and lacquers that they have. So you can buy it for 15 cents. Pretty cool. Got a few of them here in the stairwell. Want more of the testors things. Whole mechanics of the top of the elevator. Out on the roof. See, this place isn't that big. I would say this is probably the size of, honestly, maybe a little bigger than a basketball court, like an NBA basketball court. Well guys, I don't think there's too much more to see here. The basement was definitely neat. I like the boilers and all the old like doors and pulleys, all original to the building. But yeah guys, if you like what you saw, drop a like. Consider subscribing if you do want to see more. I was joined by my buddy Dan. I think he did do a video here. So definitely go check his out. I'm going to put his channel link in the description. So yeah, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.